So a lot of people think that if they get hacked, it will be pretty obvious. But in reality, most hacks stay quiet in the background and hope that you never notice. The good part is that you do not need to be an expert. We're gonna use the built-in Windows tool that most people have never heard of before. It's called the Microsoft Malicious Software Removal Tool. Sounds dramatic, but it is very simple to use. Just open the run box by pressing the Windows key and R at the same time and type MRT and hit enter. You'll see a window pop up, and this is a standalone malware scanner that Windows updates quietly, and it's designed to detect common and dangerous threats. Then click Next, and you'll see a few scan options. You'll want to choose Quick Scan, and it checks the places where malware usually hides, and this should only take a few minutes and is a great starting point. If you've noticed serious performance issues or you feel like something is really wrong with your computer, you can run a full scan. Just know that it can take a long time depending on how much you store on your computer. Once the scan finishes, it'll show you the results, and if it finds something, Windows will remove it automatically. And that's probably your sign to follow up with a deeper scan later as well. If it shows a clean result, then that's definitely good news. It means there is no obvious malware hiding in usual spots. This one is simple, fast, and it's built into every modern version of Windows, so running it once in a while is definitely a smart habit to get into. Look for hidden user accounts. For our last check, we're gonna look at something most people never even think about: user accounts on your PC. If a hacker ever gains access, one of the smartest things they can do is create a new account for themselves as a quiet way back in, even if you change your password later. So let's make sure no one's camping on your system. Open the run box again with the Windows R key and type netplwiz and press enter. You'll see a window with every user account on your computer, and take a moment to look through this entire list, because you should obviously only see accounts that you recognize. Your own account, maybe a family account, or the built-in administrator account. Nothing else. So if you spot a name that you have never seen before, especially one that has admin rights, that is a serious sign of trouble. Some malware creates generic accounts like service user or default user to try and blend in. So if you find something suspicious, select it and remove it immediately. Windows is going to ask you if you also want to delete the data linked to that account, and if you're sure that it does not belong there, remove it completely. Again, this check only takes a few seconds, but it can reveal one of the clearest signs of a compromised PC. If someone created their own way into your system, then this is where you catch them. You ran a malware scan that most people don't even know exists, and you made sure that no one has created a secret backdoor entrance into your system. I know these steps might seem really simple, but they can reveal a lot. If something was hiding, there's a good chance that one of these checks will pick it up. And of course, if everything looks normal, then that is great news as well. If you did find something suspicious, don't ignore it. Run a full scan, change your passwords, and take it seriously. But before we finish, here is one final thing to remember. Spotting a problem is good, but preventing one is even better. And again, a VPN hides your IP, encrypts your traffic, and makes you a much harder target, especially on public Wi-Fi. So if you want to try one safely without paying for anything, then check out our videos on the best free VPNs for Windows. We'll link to that up here and some other resources down in the description. But as always, thanks for watching and stay safe out there.